Ready to start the warming up exercises. Left to right and right to left in stretch. Very good, brother. Super. Extraordinary. And clockwise. Clockwise. Yes. Very good. Clockwise and anti. Next one is anti-clockwise. Yes, stop. Ready to start the workout. Come on, ready. First circuit. Left to right, right to left. Swing your hands. Small training workout. This is a complete cardio blasting workout. This is a complete. Just your shoulders turn. Yes, left to right, and change your leg. Change your leg. Come on, ready. Very good. Excellent. Come on, change your leg. Yes, left to right to left. Yes, swing. Yes, very good. Superb. Very good job, brother. Very good job. And again, this circuit. Yes, 3. Left, right, arms and donkey kicks. This is the 20 repetition is must and should. Here, choose and level and do this exercises. Very good. Stretch, complete stretch and kick. This is, and again change another 1, 2, 3. Very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 10. Yes, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one move. Yes, relax. Second one. And again, same circuit. Repeat. This left to right, right to left, left to right. Yes, very good. Excellent. Good job. Superb. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. And change another side. And swing. 1, 2, 3. Swing your hands. 4, 5. Very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more. And same repeat this exercise. Donkey kick and arms workout. Very good. Arms workout. Extraordinary. Very good. Excellent, sister. Come on, ready. Good job. Come on, ready to focus. Come on, ready. Focus. Very good. Excellent. Superb. Very good. Excellent. Good job. And change another side. Yes, very good. Superb. Extraordinary. Very good. Superb. Very good job. Brother. Good job. Very good job. 2. One more. And second circuit, just swing your hands. This will swing your hands. Complete body twist. Come on, ready. Very good, sister. Come on, ready. Good take. Come on, ready. Maximum use the power and do this exercise. Maximum use the power. Come on, ready. Good. Maximum. Good. Yes, very good. Good. And good. Change your leg and swing your hands again. Come on, ready. Good. Fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Very good. Excellent. Superb. Very good. Excellent. Good job. Superb. Very good, sister. Superb. And again, just one leg is forward and one leg is up. Yes, one leg is forward, one leg is up. Yes, one leg is up and down. Yes, one leg is forward and down. One leg is forward and down. One leg is forward and down. Yes, kick and stretch your hands is forward. Yes, very good. Excellent. Good job. Superb. And change your hand. Change. Yes, change. Very good. Extraordinary. Good job, brother. Good job. Maximum. Come on. Very good. Excellent. Good job, brother. Maximum stretch is the more effective and hips and arms workout. Yes. Every time. Come on, ready. Good. Yes. Second circuit. Again repeat. Yes. Come on, ready. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maximum. Come on. Hit roll. Very good. Excellent. Good job, bro. Good job. Yes, concentration, focus. Very good. Excellent. Superb. Very good. And again change on the side. Yes, 2. Very good. Extraordinary. Come on, ready. Superb. Very good. Extraordinary. Very good. Super. Yes, super. Very good. Super. Very good, sister. Stop. Yes. Again. Same position. Yes. No. Yes. Like this, same stretch your hand. Yes. Good. Same routine. Repeat the hand. Yes. One leg. One hand is up. Opposite leg is kick. Yes. Very good. Yes. Very good. Excellent. Good job. 3. Maximum kick down. 4. Super. 5. Very good. 6. 7. Yes. 8. 9. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. Very good. Excellent. Good job. 4. 3. Excellent. 2. Only one more. Change another side. Very good. 1. Nice goes 2. 3. Maximum come on kick. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 9. 8. Come on, Adi. Very good. Focus. Very good. Excellent. Good job with the maximum stretch. Stretch. 2. Burn your hips and everything. Come on, Adi. Super. Yes. Very good. Third side good. Again. Yes. Swing your hands and standing. Swing your hands and forward. Come on. Jog. Very good. Extraordinary. Come on, Adi. Good job, brother. Good job. Super. Excellent. Come on, Adi. Good job. Super. Very good. Yes. Next one is another side. Yes. Come on, Adi. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Adi. 4, 5. Very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Very good. Excellent. 3, 2. Only one more. Relax. Yes. And again down, kneel down, and same dog style. Yes. Okay. Keep your hands down, brother. Yes. Look straight. Yes. Focus. Keep your hand is head touch. Right hand is head touch. And no. Open your hands. Yes. Little bit slightly bend your left elbow and down. Stretch inside. Yes. Very good. Stretch inside. Very good. Excellent. Come on, 2. Come on, continue. Come. Very good. 3. Yes. Nice. Come. 4, 5. Very good. Excellent. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more. Relax. Yes, brother. Good job. Very good job. Relax.